Let's hear her feedback on how Rajeshwari is recovering from tinnitus with help of Dr. Spectra treatment. Thank you so much, Rajeshwari ma'am, to give us your valuable feedback. So, may I know your age and which place you belong to?
My age is 33. I am from Tamil Nadu, Chennai.
Okay. And do you have any idea, ma'am, since how long you have this tinnitus problem and how it started?
It was on September 12th, like around night, it was very silent. So suddenly I started hearing a ringing sound in my ear.
Okay.
2025, yeah, from this year.
Okay. Then what you did for that problem and how you know about us?
Oh, I went to a doctor. In Chennai also I went to ENT doctor and Bangalore also. So they told that you have to live with it. You have to ignore the sound and have to live with it. Like I took many medicines also. Like through YouTube I saw a Dr. Spectra.
Okay.
Like I contacted you.
Okay. And currently, how much % do you feel better for this device, with the device?
Percentage.
How much, ma'am?
30 to 35%, ma'am.
Okay.
Like I'm able to sleep at night. First, I was sleep. Now I'm able to sleep.
Okay.
That's it. Like the sound is still there, but I'm feeling like relaxed. It's not disturbing me, but the sound is still there.
Okay. So, ma'am, as you know, a lot of patients are listening to you right now. So, can you guide them what step can be taken of occur while they use the device, and if they have the problem of tinnitus, so what they can do?
Yeah.
So, any guidance?
They can contact Dr. Spectra. Yeah, they can contact Dr. Spectra. Like I'm okay with that. I'm feeling the change now.
Okay.
So even they can try it and they can change their life or situation.
Okay. So, ma'am, one last thing. Can I put this feedback on my YouTube channel to aware among people who have this tinnitus issue?
Yeah, okay, but okay.
Yeah.
You
Thank
can put
you
it,
so
ma'am.
much, Rajeshwari ma'am. Thank you so much.